it's me again, Teacher Donna, and welcome to Art Time! Well, today's Art Time, we are going to make a paper plate clock. And this is the one that I just made. There you go. This is our DIY paper plate clock. And I want you to do this at home as well. And now let's start. I will show you the materials for this art. Let's go! So for today's art, we will be needing first a marker or a pencil pen. Well, you can use a pen or a pencil pen if you have at home. And then we also need scissors, a pencil, a string, a paper plate, or if you don't have a paper plate, then you can just get a paper. But please, if you have a thicker paper just like this one, then that's better. And we also need crayons. And by the way, I also have here 2 arrows already, so I just use this paper. So I just used this paper and then I drew an arrow and then cut, and these are the ones that I made. So there you go. And now let's start making our paper plate clock. So first I am going to get my pencil and I will write numbers 1 to 12 on our paper plate, and let's do it. So this will serve as my guide. So now that we are done, I use my pencil first so that if something is wrong, then I can erase it. So there you go. Another thing is you can use a ruler to measure if it's the same or if it's straight. So this is what it looks like now. I am going to get my marker, which is red. You can use blue or black. It's up to you, but I am going to use a red marker, and it's time to write the numbers using the marker. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. We are finished and we already wrote numbers 1 to 12 on our paper plate. So can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So next thing, I will just color my paper plate. I think I will color this side green. So if you want to color your paper plate, then you can just get your colors, crayons, and do it. So there you go. As you can see, I used color green, yellow, green, and blue crayons on our paper plate. Now it's time to get our arrows. So I have here 2 arrows, and if you look closer, you will see that there's a hole already. So I already made a hole, and I'm going to teach you how I did it. Just get your scissors. I will make a hole on this side. So once you made a small hole, just get your pencil and then slowly make a small hole. So there you go, and it looks like this. And now let's get our paper plate, and same, I just made a hole in the middle of my paper plate, so you can ask your mom or your dad to help you and make a hole in the middle of your paper plate. Alright, and next let's grab our string. So I will put the string inside. So let's get our pencil and let's try to push the string. Okay, there you go. So once it's inside, it's already here. So as you can see, there's the string at the back of the paper. Now we need another paper. So there you go, just cut. Alright, so just cut a paper. We are going to make another hole. Okay, there, and let's insert the string on this. So just use your pencil, and there you go. Now that it's here already, I am going to tie it. So let's tie it. Tie and another. So we are going to, maybe let's make 3 ties together. 1, 2, and another 3. Okay, so I think that's it, and it will lock the front of our string. So now that we have tied this part, let's go back to the front one. So now it's time to get our arrows. As you can see, they are not the same. The one is smaller, this is smaller, and this one is bigger. So let's put the arrows and let's insert them in the string. Now let's have the big one first. Okay, so one down. Next is the small one. So as you can see, I have to insert this way, alright? So okay, so finally we already made it. There you go. I am going to get another paper, just a small piece, and I will insert this paper also in the middle, and let's make a hole. So now that there's a hole already, I am going to get color orange and just color it. By the way, you can also color your arrows, okay? Maybe you can get your colors, any colors that you like, and just color them. So same, I will just get my pencil and slowly pushing the string to insert it there. Okay, just slowly because our string is too thick. And there you go. So this is what it looks like now. I am going to tie it same with the one that we did at the back. So let's tie the front part. Okay, so just make it tight. Alright, another one. Okay, and last one. So I did 3 ties, okay? So I think that's it. So once it's done, I will get my scissors and let's cut. So voila, there you go. We now have a paper plate clock. So I want you to do this at home. If you don't have a paper plate, then you can use this kind of paper and you can just cut arrows. You can design or you can color and put something on your paper plate to make it beautiful. And yeah, this is the one that I made, and I hope you try doing this at home. You can ask help from your mommy or daddy. Alright, so again, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is our what? Hands. So we have short hand and long hand. So once you finish doing this, don't forget to take a picture and set in line so Teacher Donna can see your work. So that's it for today's art, and Teacher Donna will see you again next time. Goodbye everybody!